Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in this module, which is authentication and access control. Every organization is having some sort of assets which they need to protect. A system owner establishes a security policy formally or informally, explicitly or implicitly, perhaps as simple as no one is allowed to take my food. And then he begins taking measures to enforce that policy. An attacker wants something the defender has and goes after it. What basically the defender can do, he is having a number of options. For example, he can fight it, he can build a barrier or alarm system, he can run and hide, or he can diminish the target's attractiveness to the attacker by making it less attractive. It is very important for the security professional to find threats and vulnerabilities. A security professional analyzes situations by finding threats and vulnerabilities to the confidentiality, integrity, and or availability of a computing system. Often, controlling these threats and vulnerabilities involves a policy that specifies which subjects can access which objects and by which means. To be effective, the security policy enforcement must determine accurately and clearly who can access what. The property of accurate identification is called authentication. Authentication is basically the act of proving that the user is who they say they are. In the rest of the module, we will look at different methods of authentication. For example, authentication based on something you know. For example, the password. Authentication based on something you are. For example, a person with a fingerprint. Authentication based on something you have. For example, a key or the smart card. In addition to this, we will also have a look on different methods of controlling access. Thank you very much.